What's going on, guys? I'm always putting out videos talking about different aspects of water fasting, different ways it'll make you feel and everything like that, my transformations from water fasting, and I realized I never put out a video actually explaining how to water fast. What is water fasting? So basically that's what this video is about. So anyways, guys, stick around, let's get started. Alright guys, so obviously look at the word water fasting, and you can break it down to water and fasting, obviously. And pretty much when you think of fasting, you think of going a certain amount of time without eating, drinking, anything like that. Then you take the water aspect, and basically you're going a certain period of time only drinking water. So basically, it's the opposite of a dry fast. If you know what a dry fast is, you could probably tell by the name now that you kind of can see how simple water fasting was. Dry fasting is basically where you're going a certain period of time without having any liquids. So basically, water fasting, like I said, is going a certain period of time without going and eating, but you can have as much water as you possibly want, and the water is what's gonna go and keep you full throughout the day. A lot of the time, you're gonna lose a lot of your water weight first when you actually water fast, especially if you're only doing a shorter, say 1 to 3 day fast, anything like that. The longer you actually go on, it'll actually turn out that your body will go into ketosis and you'll start to break down fats and you'll start actually losing fat and everything like that from simply just drinking water every day for a longer, more extended period of time. With that being said, the average time that people normally will water fast for, you'll see a lot of people do 1 to 3 day fast, like I said before, almost as a cleanse. And then you'll see people do more extended ones. When it comes to more extended fasts, it can be a lot more dangerous, and it is more important to go and check with a medical supervisor, a doctor, someone who knows a lot about water fasting and fasting in general beforehand. But normally you'll see people go for the more extended ones, like I mentioned, for anywhere from a week, 15 days, 21 days, and in some cases up to a month, 2 months. And you can technically go longer. There are people that go longer, but again, that's in more extreme cases, and it's definitely important to check with a doctor beforehand. But anyways, guys, that's basically what water fasting is, and a little background of what you should know and do on a water fast. If you guys are more curious about water fasting, I have a ton of videos on my channel. Definitely click on my channel, scroll through, find some more videos on water fasting, find my transformation videos. Definitely check them out. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to get notified anytime I put a new video out. Share this video with your friends. Maybe they're thinking about trying to go and kickstart a healthy lifestyle. They want to try a fast. They don't know a whole lot about water fasting, anything like that. So definitely share the video. And anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video.